Why cutting cake?
You're not cutting the cake yet.
It's me.
Is it you?
Put on.
Hey. Tell me what to do.
Yay!
Sit here.
A candle.
A candle. Dad, don't touch. Okay. 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keanu. Happy birthday to you. Come on.
Make a wish, bro. It's candle.
Ooh, you got some good breath.
Yeah.
You're gonna take off the candle?
Yeah,
There you go.
I eat the cake.
Yeah, I gotta cut you a piece.
Cut the heat,
Yeah, I cut you a piece.
move it, and make one cake.
One cake. All right, Keanu. Put your hand here on Mom's hand.
I did, Mom. I did.
Yeah. Cut the whole cake. Hold it like this. Only touch the black part.
Yay!
Did you say it's waiting for you? Go. Shh. Push. Here. Oop. Push. Okay. And no, don't let it go yet. Push. Okay, and come up. Turn and drop.
At the bear. Look. At the bear. Where's the devil? I'm too long. And you. Yay!
I think over there is for wheelchairs only, to race and stuff. Look, they have a Chick-fil-A. It stopped. You want me to drive?
Turning.
Turning left and turning right.
Look, a byway right there.
Yeah, there's a fire station. Careful, okay? Wee, wee.